Hi, this is Scarlett Sanders, and today I'm going to talk about some lesser known rights of indie musicians. There are two distinct copyright laws that really support and help musical authors and performers. One is enshrined in the law of Germany and the other in the law of the United States. In German law copyright, an author's work cannot be assigned but can only be licensed. This provides fundamental protection for German authors. The copyright in their works will always be owned by them or their successors, and any transfer other than license is invalid. I have talked before why it is always better for an author or performer to license their rights rather than to assign them. In the US law, all transfer of copyright and related rights is limited to 35 years, provided the author or performer follow certain procedures. This provision was designed to protect authors and performers who assigned or licensed their rights before the true commercial value of the rights was known. This first became effective in the 1976 Copyright Act, Section 203, and is referred to as the termination right. It applies to all copyright and related rights transfers which occurred after 1st January 1978, so the first terminations can take place from 2013 onwards. An exception to this is if works or performances are deemed to be works made for hire, that is, that the publisher or phonogram producer acted like an employer of the author or performer. It remains to be seen if particular works or recordings are deemed by a court to fall under the doctrine of work made for hire. But a test case took place in May 2012 concerning author Victor Willis, who was a co-writer for the Village People on hits such as YMCA, Go West, and In the Navy. Willis won the case, which is good news for authors. On the recording side, there are different factors at play, and it remains to be seen whether the work made for hire doctrine will apply. In the United States, authors and performers should be able to enjoy reversion of their rights after 30 years, which will give them an opportunity to renegotiate better terms and advances with their existing publishers or phonogram producers, make a new agreement with new business, or manage the rights themselves. Most authors and performers could look forward to getting revision at least once in their lifetime. I'm going to talk more about this subject in my next post.